This meeting is being recorded.
Yes, good evening everyone. Sir, in the last class yesterday, just we started discussion about advanced matplotlib DJANGO. Working with advanced template inheritance. There are two topics are there, template inheritance and template filters. Normal Python inheritance, how we are implemented parent class to child class. Same here also, same code is required for multiple templates. Instead of writing every template, we have to create one we have to separate that code and create one base.html file. That HTML file we have to extend it to all the child templates. Code reusability purpose, we have to use our template inheritance concept. So how to implement it means just yesterday theoretically I'm telling, take one HTML file, inside common code you have to write, and it is nothing, just you have to write one block. This block can be implemented into the child class. Common code you have to write into base.html. How to extend? By using extends keyword our base HTML. In the child class, whatever code you can require, write that code. That is theoretical I'm telling now. How to implement it practically? Create the project. Inside take one base.html. Online guess, am I audible? Okay. Sir, now create the project. Go to back, cd, DJANGO, 14th November, DJANGO hyphen admin start project, ADVT, template project, advanced template project, cd, ADVT template, py, manage.py, start app, test app, done. Go to the project first. After that, take one HTML file base. In this, we have to write our code. So go to the atom, open atom. In this, ADVT, this one, settings, install apps, test app. ఇవన్నీ not required. No. So first HTML file ante compulsory what is required templates, those are required. So right click on main project, folder, templates, again right click, folder, static, right click, folder, test app, right click on static, folder, css, right click, new file, any name your wish, no problem, just I'm given base.html, file names your wish, right click, new file, all are ready. Come to settings, here take two variables, template underscore dir equal to base dir slash templates, static underscore dir equal to base dir slash static, template dir give to the dirs, static dir create one variable, static files underscore dirs equal to base dir slash, అంతే కదా, అంతే. Come to base, write whatever code is there, just like example I'm telling now, I have to take one navigation bar as the nareshit.in. So here starting this line is there, menu bar, home, all courses, services, software training. This is common, ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడి వరకు up to here common to every page. This next pages will be changes. Whenever I'm clicking on courses, the URL pattern, this is the home URL. Whenever URL pattern changes, that URL is pointing to the views. That view is responsible to send that page. For example, ఇక్కడ all courses. Okay, click this. Yeah, this is our URL pattern. This URL pattern pointing to another page, but the top was not changes. This one same only. Atla I have to create this common code. This one you go to any page, same look and feel I want to display to the every page. For that I have to take one base.html. It is called as some navigation bar. Ikkada how they are taken, span, anchor, li, ఇదిగోండి nav bar, nav primary available, same like that I have to create it. That is the concept. One header part, menu options I have to go to all the pages. So in base.html, compulsory nav bar we are applying means bootstrap.com. Here next I want to go with link, remove this brace. First I want to provide that static css slash edit1.css. So first line we have to go with percentage load static. Within the body, navigation bar, inside class attribute equal to nav bar. Inside anchor tag, I can provide a reference here, Mahesh news. Starting heading line provided news, class nav bar. One anchor tag will be displayed. Now div tag container, inside I have to take an unordered list, inside list of elements, anchor tag. First one is movies, second one sports, next one politics, ఇంకా అన్ఆర్డర్డ్ లిస్ట్. సరే, ఇది మెయిన్ పేజ్. స్టార్టింగ్ పేజ్ I have to display Mahesh news. Here I have to open the again once I click on this same page only. Movies. And the navigation bar, once I click on movies, it will goes to next page. But these things are common to the starting page. In child classes, you want required code. Just now yesterday, whatever I am telling is, you want common code already I am written. You have to mention one block. What is the block? Block is the keyword. Child, any here any name you can use. Sunny block, Radhika block, Lily block, anything. That block you can implement it to the child class. Ante after this navigation curly brace percentage block. This is the body block which can be implemented in child class. Close the block. Percentage end. This is code of the main page, base page. This base page I want to send to the where end user. Okay. For this, first take this base.html, the base page code. First create the project, create application, add application in settings.py. Next take the base.html code. Completed. So view is responsible to send this base.html file. Go to the views, create one function in that send base.html to end user. So go to the views, def, base view, request, return, render, request comma, test app slash base.html. This view one URL is required. Go to URLs. Blank empty URL. Views dot base view. From test app import views. Start the server. The server is started. Not started. సరిపోయింది. Static అయిపోయింది. ఏమి ఇవ్వాలి ఇక్కడ మనం? అది సంగతి. ఇప్పుడు సీదా సర్వర్ స్టార్టెడ్. అబ్బో. నవ్ ఎంటర్. ఇదిగోండి, మహేష్ని మూవీస్, స్పోర్ట్స్, పాలిటిక్స్. ఇదే సేమ్ మెనూ బార్ ఐ వాంట్ రిపీటెడ్ ఆల్ ప్లేసెస్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దీనికి కోతంత వీ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రొవైడెడ్ H1 ఇంకా H1s ఏం లేవు కాబట్టి H1 color I have to provided red. Text alignment make it as a center. Nav bar is the class. The navigation bar background yellow. అవలా అందుకని చేశాగా. ఇదిగో స్టైల్ షీట్. ఏమైనా స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్ ఉంటే ఏదో స్టాటిక్ సిఎస్ఎస్ ఏడిబిటి 1.css కరెక్టే కదా. ఇందాక స్టాటిక్ ఫైల్స్ రాంగ్ ఇచ్చాంగా, చూద్దాం. అగైన్ రీస్టార్ట్ సర్వర్. ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే. సో నావిగేషన్ తర్వాత డాట్ nav bar లో యాంకర్ ట్యాగ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. కలర్ బ్లూ. లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ యాంకర్ ట్యాగ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఇన్ దట్ కలర్ రెడ్. సర్వర్ రీస్టార్టెడ్. రీఫ్రెష్ ద సైట్. ఇదిగోండి Mahesh News. Once you click on this, it is pointing to the hash. I don't want hash, same URL I want to display. Just instead of hash, what can I give? If I want to click on the same page I want to display, just give slash, then pointing to same. Now check this. When it will be means if you go to movies, then click on Mahesh News, it is coming to this one. It is pointing to the same URL. My requirement is, if I want to click on movies, this one same. I want to open next page, movies page. Ikkada I want to display movies information, so and so. Top should be same only. If I click on sports, Babu sports information, so and so images matter. If I given politics, politics information images content. This one continues for all HTML pages. That is the requirement. So here views.py, first view. This is the view. దీనికి ఉన్న urls.py. Next view, movies. I want display movies page. One view HTML page URL. View HTML URL. Because I want to once you click on movie, it is pointing to hash symbol. Hash is coming there. I want page. Go to the views. Take one more view. Def movies underscore view. Request. No. Return render first argument request comma test app slash movies.html page. This is the view. The view. ఇప్పుడు what is required? Movies.html file required. Generally we have to write total code. Now I don't want to write total code. Check this. Under templates, test app, right click, new file, this one, movies. Now HTML code. Now what we have to write in this one? Remove all these nonsense, not required income, body, head, all this. Just you have to extend. How to extend? Curling brace, percentage. Extends. What is your file name? Test app slash base dot html. What is your block you mentioned there? One block you mentioned, that block you can write copy, paste here. Bus. Inside write your HTML code. Just I'm not writing anything, h1 tag. Babu, this is movies information. Images, all the things you are wishing. దీనికి ఒక URL is required. Movies view. ఈ URL you have to mention into base page. Go to the base. Instead of a hash symbol, done. Server restarted. Now this is the main page. Once I click on movies, it is pointing to the movies. Starting, it's never changes. Just this is information. Images matter your wish. If I want to Mahesh News, starting page. If you want to click on movies page. Sports, not implemented కాబట్టి hash symbol is coming. Now politics. అలాగే same menu options I have to continue to any number of pages. Then we go with inheritance concept. Users HTML చూడండి, just 2-3 lines I am written. Total HTML code not required. That is the advantage of main template inheritance. Any name you can give for your HTML files, no problem. Any names you can give. Next అలాగే same view HTML URL. One function for sports. For this, go to views. Movies బదులు I want to go with sports. Sports.html. This is the view we have to define. Okay, HTML file is required. That HTML file is sports.html. In this sports.html, same again you have to write previous code only. Right click, new file, sports. Sports you can copy movies, the copy, paste. This is sports information. దీనికి ఒక URL. సో ఇంకా స్టోరీ సేమ్ స్టోరీ, కాపీ పేస్ట్ ఆల్. ఇయర్ స్పోర్ట్స్, మూవీకి బదులు స్పోర్ట్స్. దిస్ URL you can give to base. Completed. Server started. Come to here. If I click on movies, top no changes. This is movies, sports, movies, news, sports, movies. Same if you go to politics, that page will be internal page content your wish. Same here, how it is changes. Starting page same, all courses. Bottom page changes, services. Bottom page changes, top page also changed. Classroom training, yeah, bottom page changes. Online, ఈ టాప్ చేంజ్ అట్లా చూడండి, వాట్ ఎవర్ యూఆర్ క్లికింగ్ అట్లా వీఆర్ ఇంప్లిమెంటెడ్. టాప్ ఫిక్స్డ్, ఓన్లీ బాటమ్ చేంజెస్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ పాలిటిక్స్, పాలిటిక్స్ కూడా సేమ్ స్టోరీ. లైక్ దట్ యూ కెన్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్. That is called as template inheritance. So third one, just you have to see that all are copy paste only. No need to write. Okay. Last one more politics. Same code view you can copy paste. View code HTML all are same only. Politics. Politics.html. One view is ready. This one HTML file is required. Take one HTML file. Right click, new file, HTML. In this, copy the code. Paste it. Politics. అదే we copy pasted. దీనికి one URL is required. Come to URLs. Take this URL, give to the base instead of hash. అదే story. Refresh the site. If you go to movies, politics, sports, this one. Like that it will be changes. News. That is called as template inheritance. The main base page, whatever code you can require. Next upcoming, we will see multiple examples. Present, this is the basic way how to take base.html and how to implement child classes. Base page contain n number of blocks, but child is not responsible to implement all blocks. How many blocks you can require, those blocks you can implement. Order is also not important. Suppose parent contain 10 blocks. I want to implement the last one, first one, third one. My wish. So first one is in the parent template, we can define any number of blocks. Any number of blocks you can implement. Child is responsible to implement those blocks. Child template is responsible to implement these blocks. It is not mandatory to implement every parent block in child based on our requirement. Child template can decide which blocks are required to implement. So based on requirement, we can implement it. While implementing blocks, order is not important. Any order you can follow. While implementing the blocks in child template, it is not required to follow the order. What is the advantages of template inheritance? Whatever code available to the base template, this total code automatically available to the child template because of this line. You are not required to write again and again the code. Whatever code available in base template is by default available to the child templates, and we are not required to write again. Code reusability. Length of the code and improves readability. Development time of the project. It provides unique and same look and feel for total, because if any page you can go, same look and feel it is provided. That is the first one, template inheritance. JSON format not here in the REST API. JSON format is coming. Sai Sindhu. What is the JSON format? I will tell. Yeah, how to send the JSON data. JSON is the common format to everyone. I am clicking on movies anchor tag. It is showing movies page, but again when I am clicking on sports anchor tag, link changes to yeah. So you did a mistake. Check the code, Vamshi, because it is pointing to movies after that sports. That is wrong, no? First of all, you can check in the bottom. Whenever clicking on movies, you can check into the bottom page. You can check for here. It is coming movies. If you play sports, compulsory it should be pointing to which one? No? Sports only. But in your case, it is coming to movies slash sports. It is not there. That's why you are getting page not found. Correct only. You did something mistake. Check the URL patterns. URLs you can change it. That's why it is coming like this, movies slash sports. So next one more simple concept is there, that is template filters. General, what is the meaning of filters? You know, in Python filter function is there. What is the meaning of template filters means? I want to inject some data to the HTML file. How to inject it? By using double curling brace. Suppose I want to install some name, curling brace name, curling brace employee dot e number. Like that, we have to inject it. So from the dictionary, I want to read the data. By using double curling brace, we can inject the data to template file. Before injecting, I have to do some filterization. For example, in the backend database low, the employee name is available like this, Mahesh, or else Mahesh, ila undi. I'm not changing in the database, just in HTML page at the time of display. Um, emp.html అనుకోండి. Here at the time of displaying e name. Actually, once I read display, I will come Mahesh. I want display all are capitals. అంటే database లో data is available different format, but I want to display here all are capitals. In Python, your functions are there upper, lower, title, swap case, అలా functions ఉన్నాయి. By using functions, I can change all uppercase. Sir, నాకు all uppercase I don't want to. Okay, I want to display employee name as MAHESS, title case. Or if I want to display all are small. No, sir, I want to display only first four characters. అంటే డేటాబేస్లో ఐఎమ్ నాట్ చేంజింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్. I have to customization in the template, that is called as template filters. Uppera, lower, title, four characters, or else the name is Mahesh. I want to add something. Suppose Mahesh, a firm is there, private limited company. I want to add the text private limited company. Or within that Mahesh private limited is there, I don't want only Mahesh I want to display. Ala anything, you can add something, you can cut the something, only 3 letters or 2 letters you have to display, and uppercase anything is possible because of template filters. So then we go with this template filters concept. That is the main concept of template filters. In the template file, the injected data can be displayed by using template tags, that is double curling brace name, double curling brace emp dot employee number. Like that we have to display. This is the way of displaying data to the template file. But before displaying to the end user, if we want to perform some modifications to the injected text, like add something, or we have to cut something, we have to do case conversions, then we should go for a filter. You can add the data, delete some data, or you can change the case sensitive. So then we go with filter concept. Syntax for template filter within curling brace, value, pipe symbol, filter name, close the curling brace. Same. Sometimes you can pass argument also. Argument is optional. Filter name, colon, singular double curling brace, argument. Argument is optional. If you are not passing also, no problem. Argument to the filter, optional. అది థియరిటికల్లీ. సో ఎగ్జాంపుల్ application, create the project, DJANGO-admin, start project, filter project, cd filter project, py manage.py, start app, test app. Next, database is required, so models.py is required. Take models.py file. Go to here, come to the filter project AB of filter, open settings, add app, install apps, test app, close all these. Now models kavali, open models, test app, models, class, my model name is filter model, inside models dot model, class name equal to models dot character field, maximum length 30. Second one, I have to provided subject. Third one, department. Fourth one, date. Models dot date field. ఇవి 4 columns are there bus. Name, subject, department, date. తర్వాత if you want to create database, make migrations and migrate. Sir, once it is done, table all the things, make migrations and migrate. The table will be created background, okay? py manage.py make migrations. Now migrate. Migrated. After that, you have to register this one to admin. Admin low class filter model admin. Model name is admin. Class name is model admin. Now the variable name is list underscore display. Whatever columns we have to provide it, name, subject, తర్వాత dept, తర్వాత date, register, admin dot site dot register. Our model name is filter model, comma filter model admin. The filter model is available from test app models import filter model. The admin.py. Line number 6, comma. ఇది స్టోరీ ఆఫ్ అడ్మిన్. ఇప్పుడు క్రియేట్ సూపర్ యూజర్, యాడ్ డేటా మాన్యువల్గా. So how to create super user? I will create super user. Meanwhile, py manage.py create super user. Leave blank mail id abc@gmail.com. Password super user. Yes, created successfully. Now py manage.py run the server. So these things already server started. Go to admin panel, IP address, go with admin panel, login, add some filter models, add some submit detail. సరే, add the data. ఇప్పుడు name, give all small letters, okay? You have to change their subject, Python, department, IT, date, May 1st, 2024. Okay, done. Saved. Add. Second one. Subject. DJANGO. Give all small letters. DJANGO. Department. Give all capitals. CSC. Now 2023 August 1st time given. Save. Now Radhika. Give all capitals. Radhika. Subject. REST API. Department. Computers. Last December 1st ఇద్దాం. 4 courses. Capitals స్మాల్స్ వచ్చినాయి కదా నేమ్లో. నెక్స్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ టెస్టింగ్ టూల్స్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ సిఎస్ ఇచ్చాం కదా, కంప్యూటర్స్ ఇచ్చాం, ఐటీ ఇచ్చాం, సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇవ్వలేదు కదా. June 20. సరే మొత్తానికి ఇవి డేటా. సమ్ 4 names, different capitals, smalls, all small letters like that we can provide it. How to read this data? View is the responsible to read the data displayed to the HTML file. Go to the view. Def, I want to display all the data into uppercase. So my function name is upper data view. Any name you can give. Request. How to read the data? Filter model dot objects dot all. Now all records we are getting. Send these records. Return, render, request, comma, test app slash upper data dot html. Take one dictionary. Records colon records. This filter model is available from test app dot models import filter model. Done. ఇది జనరల్గా రీడింగ్ అండ్ సెండింగ్ టు ద HTML ఫైల్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద వ్యూ. ఇప్పుడు ఫైనల్గా వాట్ ఈస్ రిక్వైర్డ్? HTML ఫైల్ ఈజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్. So now template file is required. Only again same story. Right click, folder, templates, right click, folder, static, right click, folder, test app, right click, file, upper data.html, right click, folder, CSS, right click, a file, CSS, go to settings, variables, template underscore dir equal to base dir slash templates, static underscore dir equal to base dir slash static. This is a template dir, you can provide it to dirs static files underscore dirs equal to static dir. How to display the data? Take HTML file, percentage, load static. Here I want to link, remove this curly brace, static css fp dot css. Now body, inside body, take each and every record. For every record in, what is the variable you are passing? Records, h1 tag, curly brace. I want to inject a data, record dot name. Sounds a record information I am providing. In this unordered list here, list of element name colon curly brace record dot name. One more list of element subject curly brace record dot subject. One more list of element department curly brace record dot dept. Next date curly brace record dot date. Now unordered list, after that one horizontal line will be displayed. This is the way end for loop. Total data is reading, displaying to that one. Go to URLs. Upper views dot upper data view from test app import. So now ready. Now this is the URL pattern. Now all the information as it is will be displayed there. Okay, దీనికి now I want to provide a list of elements, font size 20 pixel and body, and to provide a background red, color white. Now refresh. Data came. Sir, in this one, ఇప్పుడు డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇదిగోండి సన్నీ లియోన్ all our small cases are available కదా. How to display this one to the filters means just I have to provided the syntax is value pipe symbol filter name. Names I want to display all are upper cases. So record the name, pipe symbol. What is the function? upper. Then previous key, now key, check the difference. Indaka how it is displayed, now how it will be displayed idigondi. Previous key as it is names printed, now Sunny Leon all are uppercase, Mahesh all are uppercase, Radhika, Lily, upper cases will be displayed. For example, I want to display subject as a lower case, type symbol, lower, come to here, refresh, idigondi. REST API, all these are displayed lower cases. Previous ga idigondi Python la P capital is there. Okay, now here all will be come to the lower case. Department, I can display with the title case, pipe symbol, title case. Every starting letter should be CSE ఉంది కదా, C capital remaining small. ఇదిగోండి computer C capital, software. So first one capital remaining smalls are there. Like that you have to provide filters. So now first filter I can provided pipe symbol with uppercase. Second one provided with subject with lower case. Department I can provided with title case. What about date and the time? The date ke different ways are there. We will see. First one, see this. Refresh. So uppercase date May 1st 2024, August 1st 2023, December 1st, like that displayed. Now I have to go to date, pipe symbol, date colon D M Y, save and refresh. Date month year will be displayed. ఇది ఒక ఫార్మాట్. Second one, see this. If I go with M D Y, then display month, date, year. Okay, this is also okay, fine. The second, if I go with see M slash D slash Y, same will be displayed, slashes are coming. I want to provide that here instead of all this time since time since means from when the course started until the how many weeks, how many days are there, it will be displayed. This course started 7 months, 2 weeks, 1 year, 4 months. Recently 2 weeks, 2 days. ఇది 6 months. అలాగా we can go with time since. When it is started అప్పటి నుంచి ఇప్పటి వరకు whatever time it will be provided, displayed. ఇంకొకటి here date equal to, I have to provide it DBY. DBY 1st May 2024, August, like it will be displayed. If I want to go with here L F J Y, how it is coming. 1st May 2024, that day is Wednesday. 1st August 2023, Tuesday అంటాం. December 1st Sunday, June 20 Thursday. అలా డిఫరెంట్ formats are there. అది స్టోరీ ఆఫ్ ఫిల్టర్స్. So we have to implement our own filters also possible. These are all the predefined upper, lower, title, all these are. Now to create our own filters, tomorrow we will discuss. So tomorrow we will continue. Bye everyone.